Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, students. Sit down.
Thank you, Miss.
Tata Shibit lah Syamai teh Miss.
Kan? Tang bapet mo main em yang ni. Syamai pi habang i parabol ni saya le homework.
Silence. Respond to your roll call. Roll number 1.
Yes, Miss.
Roll number 2.
Present, Miss.
Roll number 3.
Yes, Miss.
Roll number 4.
Absent, Miss.
Roll number 5.
Absent.
All right. Minta kasingan ang penpulakot dengan sukali jeng tulia pi.
Hi.
Hatta pitip kakat sa tarik November kadai kesengi ayu.
Miss, ini kau mangang tip deh.
All right, stand up to ya tukanya kajebab.
Why, ini Miss. Kumno kan Miss pimtip tanya kataru.
To tukanya kajebab kadai kesengi ayu.
Kakak sa tarik November. Kadai kasni thwa jong ka Dipika Padukon bat uran bir sibek Miss.
Mana kita?
Wah, Miss, intip se. Ya, oh, Dipika bat uran bir. Idai kiru pau kmat kariru.
Kidai ki Bollywood actors kin Miss kita. But kidai ki favorite actor jonga. Ngalapet not the Miss ya ki film jonki. Pilapet.
Kum tama.
Miss te imjuyo por ban pet film mat pet TV. Kumno ken intip sepang uran bir bat ka Dipika. Sapet momil. Kinsa cover live ya kejing ya tho syangkurim jongki bat kinsa penibet haki television.
Oh, plan. Dekat nemo kadau mapim julakot mapim tip AA syapang kakat sau tarik November kadai kesengi ayu.
To nai bun keten kan Miss ya tu nama pi ya kajubab kadai kasmi ayu kakat sau tarik November.
Toh. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on the 14th November every year on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He is also lovingly called Chacha Nehru.
Balai pan Miss haban celebrate Children's Day hakasni kajang Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Wah, namar bau de first Prime Minister jong karikan.
Hot ma?
Ngalor kata Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ik bhaya ki kenarik kum mapi bat unyau yaki kum ki per sara kalawai.
All right, Miss. The Miss la shai pensai that's Shapang ka Children's Day.
Hot pin kreb hai syapang ka Children's Day ngan sapato ese.
Okay, boss.
Good day, students.
Good day, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.